And this is where we are today. We have a plan for the floor. Over there, we have already covered up the bolts that went through the floor. The batteries are going to be relocated, but they're just stabilized now because I had needed to drive in transit, and you always have to stabilize those batteries. Charlie's going to carry out the heavy stuff because no, I can't pick up that stuff. That's too heavy. And then we're going to get back on the floor. And again, this floor that I told you about, what's very cool about it is that on one side, it's got this rubbery plastic side, which is a lot more substantial than the other floorboards that we had. And then this is the front, which very slight, ridge. It really does feel like hardwood, but it has an incredible scratch resistance. So it is the Aqua guard, which is what we use for that. And then the Murphy bed, we still have to work on the legs here. There's a bunch of stuff back here just in storage until it's a process, because you have to take everything apart and then put it all back together. So from this angle, excuse me, this is the wood. Looks beautiful. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And then we're gonna relocate those batteries. And then we have to install the cabinet, the new custom cabinet on this wall, which is gonna be a wall and a cabinet and a desk. And then we will be on our way making more progress. Every day, making progress. That's the motto. Every day, making progress.